Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the e-grou add-in to save, edit and approve an AutoCAD or Inventor document. For this demonstration I will be using Inventor. Let's start by opening Inventor. You may select the e-grou tab to see the options that become available. You can use Open or Copy Out to retrieve a document from the e-grou repository and use it to create a new document in Inventor. Or you can check out and edit a document from the e-grou repository to create a new version. The first time you will be prompted for your login and password. You can use the Login Log-Off option to log off from the current vault and log in into another e-grou repository. Notice that if you have a new document opened in Inventor, the e-grou add-in enables a few more options. You can use the Send To option to save the document in the e-grou repository and the Register option to save and register the document in e-grou in case you are going to send the document by email and want to keep a record about it. In this first part of the demonstration, I will show how you can save a new Inventor document to the e-grou repository. Let us start by creating a new assembly in Inventor. To save the assembly to the e-grou repository, I will select the Send To option. If you have not yet logged in into e-grou, you must do so before proceeding. Use the document card window to enter the information that is requested to classify the document. You can see that both the revision file and the document name are filled. You may edit the name given by default. The first step is to select the document type and enter a description for the document. The document type determines the properties required to classify the new document. These properties are entered using the Document Properties tab and are useful to file and search for the document. Those properties marked as mandatory must have a value, otherwise e-grou will not allow you to save the document. If you cannot provide a value to all these properties, you must select the Keep Under Creation checkbox under the General tab to be able to save the document. I will assume all property values are known to you. By default, the document type also determines the permissions assigned to this new document. If you have the adequate level of access rights, you will be presented with the Permissions tab to modify the default permissions. You may remove user groups, add new user groups or users, or change their access rights. I will add a new users group called Company Employee with viewer access rights. Permissions that are marked as mandatory cannot be removed or changed. Once you are done, click the OK button to upload the file and the metadata to the e-grou repository. A new window opens to help you locate the external references to this Inventor drawing, if they exist. Select the Send To button if the external reference drawings are on a network folder and locate them. If some of the external reference drawings are in e-grou, select the Find in e-grou button to locate and relate them with the master assembly drawing. In the second part of this demonstration, I will show how to edit in Inventor a drawing saved in the e-grou repository. After opening Inventor, open the e-grou tab and choose the Checkout menu option. You may need to enter your login information to log in for the first time from Inventor to the e-grou repository. Using the e-grou navigator, select the document. The Checkout window displays the default network folder for saving the new version of the document. The Checkout window also lists the drawing external references, if any. You can uncheck any external references if not required. and check them out instead of copying them to disk if you also plan to edit them. Clicking the OK button will save all files in the destination folder and open the new version in Inventor. After you are done editing the new version, if you close Inventor, you will be prompted with what to do with the file. If you select Yes or No, you will be prompted by e-grou what to do about this new version. You can keep it locally for further editing. You can cancel any changes and return to the previous version, or you can release a new version in e-grou. I will choose to keep the changes and release a new version of the document. Before selecting the OK button to save the new version in e-grou, you should enter a short comment for later reference. Notice that I can change the value and the permissions assigned to this new document using the Document Properties and Permission tabs. These changes will affect all document versions. If I just want to make changes to the document card information and keep the Inventor file content unchanged, I can select the File Not Changed checkbox. In this demonstration, I will choose not to do so. If there is a release process associated with this document, the process will be launched after I select the OK button. If I did not check out any reference drawings with the master assembly drawing, I will only have to check in this one. Otherwise, I will also have to check in any edited references. Thanks for watching this video.